Alright, so this is going to be a short test video. I kind of broke my GoPro, so I'm using my iPhone. We're going to see what it looks like. It's 4K, so we'll see. This is going to be a short video though regardless. Again, it's just a test video. I painted the wrong side of this tailgate for a customer a couple months ago. And so we had already sandblasted it and I let it dry and everything. And we have to quickly patch this rust spot. So I have the metal. We're gonna cut it, weld it on, and then clean it up. We have a broken weld on this side. We're gonna weld back up as well. And then I'm gonna primer it, paint it, clear it. And yeah, that's it. So yeah, let's get to it. All right, we are done now with the welding. Holding this phone for the camera and stuff is not easy. It's much easier on the GoPro. I'm gonna try to get a handle for the phone because just holding the phone is not easy. But bear with me on that. But anyway, we're done. We got the welding, got the plate welded in, got that fixed up. So next step is primer, paint, and get this thing out of here because this thing weighs like 300 pounds and I am sick of seeing it here. All right, so I completely forgot to hit the record button. I am really rusty, but it's in primer. All right, it's also dry. I had to run to the store to get some cleaner for my gun real quick. So we're gonna clean the gun and lay the base down. All right, so we got the base on. Looks pretty good. This isn't a very serious project, but still, you want it to look good. Next step, I gotta lay the clear down. So let's get to it. Also, I'm trying to keep my camera further away because I'm not trying to get a ton of overspray on it. I'm wiping the camera down as soon as I'm done painting, and we'll see how that works out. All right, so coat number 1 is on. Time to lay coat 2. This is only gonna get 2 coats, so this will be the final coat. All right guys, it's a wrap on this video. I know it's a quick one, very basic, very simple project. It's more or less me trying to get back into the groove of things. This came out super nice. I'm super happy with it. I'm sure he was just as happy with the rest of the truck, so I'm sure he'll love this. Let me know how you like the video using the iPhone versus the GoPro. Honestly, the video that I shot so far, looking at it, it looks like it's higher quality because I'm actually able to shoot in 4K instead of shooting in 1080p, because the GoPro has a big problem with 4K video. It stutters a lot. video and audio don't work properly. I'm gonna order a Hero 11. I'm hoping it's better. It should be. It's a couple years newer. And I'm gonna try to get my other GoPro fixed. It's not recording. It's not registering the battery or the SIM card. So I'm not sure why. I have to get it figured out. It's out of warranty, so I pretty much have to pay somebody to fix it. But other than that, that was it. Small video. See you on the next one.